Hey everybody, I'm Gigi and I'm here to tell you that it's October. Oh wait, did the grocery store tell you that the other day when you went in there quickly for broccoli? Exactly. There's lots and lots and lots of Halloween garb all over all of these stores, and I'm not gonna lie, all of this festive decor has inspired me to create a recipe in the kitchen today. Now, this recipe is going to incorporate a very, very special ingredient, MCT oil powder. Now, it's Perfect Keto's MCT oil powder, but it's not just any old flavor. This flavor right here is cinnamon toast. What? I can smell it from here and the canister's not even open. This is cinnamon toast. And what I plan on doing today is making a cinnamon toast pumpkin cookie cake. If that doesn't sound good to you, well then you can just leave this video right now, but I have a feeling you guys are all drooling because that flavor combination sounds absolutely magical. Now, you guys might be wondering why I want to incorporate MCT oil powder into this recipe. That also, by the way, happens to be gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, nut-free, and soy-free. First of all, the flavor cinnamon toast, that alone makes me just want to put this in there without even thinking about the health benefits. That being said, MCT oil powder has a lot of health benefits that you may not know. MCTs are a very unique type of fatty acid that's found in coconut oil, and it's actually metabolized quicker than other fats. And what this stuff can do is really help with mental clarity and focus. I think I need to start the process and get this cookie cake going because my mouth is about to drool all over this countertop.
In a mixing bowl, combine a cup of coconut flour, a half a cup of pureed pumpkin, 1/3 cup of unsweetened coconut milk, 2 scoops of cinnamon toast Perfect Keto MCT oil powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar substitute, and 2 eggs. Whisk everything together until completely combined. Now spray a baking sheet with non-stick spray and scoop the mixture into the pan and flatten it out with your hands. Then bake at 375 degrees for 15 minutes.
This baby is done. Well, no. Actually not totally done because now comes the decorations. This is the really, really fun part. Oh wait, no, this is not the fun part actually. The fun part is eating the raw batter off your mixing utensil. At least it is for me. Back to this awesome pumpkin cookie cake. You can decorate it any which way you want. You can serve it out of this dish if you want, or what I'm gonna do is I'm going to hopefully successfully flip this cookie cake over onto a platter so then I can decorate the other side. I don't know how successful I'm gonna be at this, but we're here to try, people. I'm not perfect. I ain't no Martha Stewart. I'm trying to find a platter that covers the entire baking pan, so when I flip it over and tap on it, it'll just all fall out onto the platter and be perfect. Or so I hope. Hiya! Oh, I think it came out. I think it came out because of my diligent non-stick spraying. Oh, snap. It totally worked, everybody. There are only 2 tiny little snags. I don't know if you can see that. I don't want to totally tilt it up because it's going to fall on the counter and then we're going to be in big trouble. Now what I plan to do is decorate this bad boy and then taste test it.
Now feel free to decorate as you wish. I use sugar-free and dairy-free frosting as well as sugar-free sprinkles.
Hold the phone, guys, hold the phone. Did I say I'm not Martha Stewart? Well, I think I should be Martha Stewart for Halloween because I nailed this bad boy. Nailed it. Ta-da! Doesn't it look awesome? I'm very impressed with my creativity right here because typically I'm just making salmon in the kitchen. Now what I need to do is taste test it. Whoa! I don't even know how to do this. Do I just like rip it off or do I cut it nicely? Let's be real, I'm gonna rip it off. So soft and fluffy and delicious. Holy crap. While I would totally say that this is dangerous, it's actually not because it's sugar-free, dairy-free, nut-free, and soy-free. I'm gonna keep eating this. And hopefully, instead of all of you going trick-or-treating for those Twix bars and Reese's peanut butter cups, you stay home and you make this cookie cake. It's awesome. Well, happy Halloween, everybody, because Halloween is celebrated every single day of the month in October, right? And in order to further celebrate, I really think you guys should go pick up some Perfect Keto Cinnamon Toast MCT oil powder, because that is really what makes this cookie cake. The flavors of the cinnamon toast in this little tiny bite are just exploding in my mouth. I could not be happier. So do check out Perfect Keto. They have other flavors of MCT oil powders. They also have collagen powders, and they have other snacks and treats and supplements and all that jazz. So you can go spend a lot of time on this website checking out all of their goodies. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go finish eating this entire goodie right in front of me because I can't stop! Ah! Here you go.
Thank you.
Give it a go. Let me know what you think. Do you love it? Do you want more?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, that's a good sign. Well, you keep eating it, so I think you love it, and it's good for you.